You may not be in the closet, but your next Halloween costume probably is. I'm Eli from Create Unbound with some tips for making family costumes for gays with kids. I'm a big believer in easy, fun, photogenic costume. My trick is the t-shirt method. Any fun and specific t-shirt can be an inspiration or a starting point. You can find one shopping. Target and Uniqlo tend to have really good t-shirts for this kind of thing, and secondhand stores or online t-shirt stores. But honestly, you can just do what I do and find something in your closet. So what you want to find is a t-shirt that has character, color, and contrast. This shirt is one of my favorite characters from the Toy Story movies. It can inspire a whole family costume with Jessie the cowgirl, a Buzz, and the baby can be the horse, Bullseye. I'm really into easy hats, which I'll show you in a second. For this shirt, I made a hat that gave me an extra eye, so that I have 3, and also a claw, just like in the movie. I have been chosen, I must go. And with kids' clothes, it's actually even easier. Often their clothes almost already look like a costume. All you have to do is add something to make it official. This shirt is so fun. Just wrap, you just take some orange construction paper, wrap it into the shape of a carrot nose, add some elastic to it, then get a nice winter hat and scarf, and you have your snowman kid. And this shirt is the cutest. Again, a great starting point for an owl costume. Look at that. In order to make these easy hats, like I call them, which are actually like headbands, I do a quick Google search. In this case, I search for owl simple graphic. The simple graphic means that I will get results that are easily recognizable versions of this animal, easy to draw. Now, I'm going to find some poster board in the right colors. Here, the shirt is a navy blue, so I'll use that color as my base, and then I'll add some silver from the shirt and pink because my daughter will be more likely to love this costume if it has pink. And by the way, if you're anything like me, you will be making this hat late at night while the kids are asleep when they need to wear it to school the next day. So the great thing about these hats or headbands is that you can have it all ready at night and then in the morning just fit it exactly to their head, putting it together with a stapler. The end is all in styling and accessories. Here we'll have a pink skirt, of course, and silver shoes. The important thing to remember is that you don't have to stress, and you don't have to walk into a Halloween store a week before Halloween when those places are like battlefields. You should get some colored paper or fun foam from a craft or stationery store. Keep it simple and colorful. Use what you have. Trick or treat.